Yo, just over here. Let's make this big. Ready? So we are still going through our organelles, and we've made our way to what I consider to be the most famous organelle of them all for some reason. Everybody gets what these do. Sometimes it's difficult for them to make a distinction between what these look like, but they know what the mitochondria does. And what I want you to think about when we talk about its job, well, I'll hold that for just a minute. So let's talk about the mitochondria. Here's like a cartoon rendering up here. And you can kind of look and see where they are in the eukaryotic cells, animal and plant, as well as if it's in a prokaryotic cell. So just go ahead and just kind of try to locate it down through here. Yep, you're right. You see it, mitochondria, you see them. There's multiple mitochondria. Interesting to note that scientists believe that mitochondria actually lived outside of cells on their own initially anyway, and through the process of evolution, they have become part of and dependent upon larger cellular life, and the cell has become dependent upon the mitochondria's work inside of it. So the structure of the mitochondria is it comes in two parts, an inner membrane and a matrix or a fluid part. So you have this inner membrane, kind of looks like a brain, right? And then you have this cytoplasmic looking fluid on the inside. Now remember, this is an organelle, so it has a plasma membrane around it, okay? So it has a cell membrane. But the structure is two parts, inner membrane and a matrix. That's the fluid part. The fluid part is the matrix. Don't get confused here. So the job of the mitochondria, everybody knows this because it is the powerhouse of the cell. It's where cellular respiration happens. It breaks down food to release basic energy in the form of ATP, right? ATP is three letters that we'll talk about later, big time, when it comes to cellular respiration. And it's the powerhouse of the cell. So basically, it's an energy-producing organelle. That is the job of the mitochondria, to produce energy, to break down food, to release energy. Okay, and we see it here in the animal cell. We see it here in the plant cell. Both of them are eukaryotic, and we do not see that mitochondria inside of the bacteria or the prokaryotic cell over here. Anyway, that's the mitochondria. I am speeding through, but you know all about the mitochondria. Hopefully that helps. See ya.